Welcome back to Everyday Race. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a gauge cluster from a Ford Ranger and these other years, makes, and models. And for that I'm going to be using my 95 Ford Ranger. First, remove two 7mm screws from our radio bezel. Next, carefully pry the radio bezel away from the dash using a flathead screwdriver. Next, remove three 7mm screws from an instrument cluster bezel. Next, remove four 7mm screws from a knee bolster panel. Next, remove the knee bolster panel. Next, remove six 8mm screws holding the metal panel to the dash. Next, remove two 7mm screws from the bottom of the instrument cluster bezel. Next, tilt the steering wheel to its lowest position and pry the instrument cluster bezel away from the dash, and do it carefully. Next, remove connector from dimmer switch and headlight switch. Be extra careful. Better view. It's got a tab that you got to press in, and you got to hold the headlight switch and got to wiggle it back and forth. It's a pain in the butt. Here's the tab right here. Now, careful yanking on it, make sure you hold it. There you go. This is how you break it. This is a perfect example. Don't do that. So now you got another job. You gotta glue the screw holders back to its spots right here. So next, remove four 7mm screws holding the gauge cluster to the dash. Next, remove three electrical connectors from the gauge cluster. For the automatic transmission, you have to remove the gear indicator before you can remove the gauge cluster. It's got two tabs. You gotta push upwards on the left one, and you gotta push to the left. It can be done with the fingers, and then you just leave the gear indicator alone and remove the gauge cluster. All right, just Pull it out. Okay, this is a better view of the connectors on the back of the gauge cluster. We got 3 connectors. They have tabs facing outwards. So all you have to do is press on it and pull it out. Press on it and pull it out. Here's one on the bottom. Same deal. Press on it and pull it out. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and like always, have a good day.